Hi, I'm Chris, and I work as a supervisor at a cloud contact software company. I'm working at home together with my 3 kids. Our favorite pastime is walking around our village for at least 30 minutes a day, which will make your heart healthy. I've learned this from my friends who are financial literate, and I've got a VUL insurance of my own to secure my family. Gastos lang siya. Another gastos. Kasi yung traditional na mentality nga natin, yung insurance, magagamit mo lang yung pagka nawala ka na. Pero matagal pa yon. Parang hindi mo naman siya yung something na hihilingin kasi, diba? Na mangyari na sa ngayon. Nung nagkaroon ng emergency sa family, doon ko siya mas na-value yung knowledge na dapat meron ka talaga niyan. I thank my financial consultant, Paul, for introducing Eastwest Aegeas because now I have the peace of mind and the security for my family. The best yung after sales because kahit anong tanungin mo regarding your policy, nandyan siya para sagutin. Ngayon pa lang, buhay pa ako, may security na and peace of mind. Wala nang mahihiling pa, basta maging healthy lang kaming lahat. As a non-believer and traditional yung mentality natin na pag insurance, uy, gastos yan. But hindi. Gagastos ka para sa security ng family mo and sa safety nyo in the future.